Hi, Justin Labato here inside of the Autogeek Shogar Garage, and we're here to talk about one of the most frequently asked questions. What kind of brush do you use to clean rims and wheels? Well, first off, just to let you know, rims, tires, and then wheels, they're kind of all three separate. You got your tire, which is rubber, you got your rim, which is a hard surface, and then combined is the wheel, just so we have a better understanding of that description. However, each surface has its own appropriate tool for cleaning. And with that, you have, of course, where you would clean the barrels of the rims with this style brush here, the Speedmaster brush, which is great because this allows you to get in around tight calipers and also allows you to bend the brush. So it's very pliable in regards to this stem. And there's two different sizes to accommodate that. And then you got the Speedmaster brushes here, the wheel woolly version, that the stem is a lot more stiff. So if you have to get in and grind to get some of that brake dust out, this allows you to do so. Also accommodating three different sizes. So if you have the open face rims or very tight, narrow spoke rims, this will allow you to be able to do that successfully. Then you could get into, of course, cleaning the lugs with the lug brushes. Then there's cleaning the face of the wheels, which is something you could use here with the Montana wheel brush, very soft, very delicate. And then the Speedmaster wheel mitt, which is really nice as well with this wool type material that's on here to, of course, inaggressively clean the face of the rim. And then, of course, for your tires, you have your tire brushes. Now, with the tires, there are soft tires, and then there are harder tires in regards to the rubber itself. So just be understanding of that, because if you use a very aggressive brush on a softer tire, it may mark it. So just understand what it is you're working with so you use the appropriate tool to accommodate that surface cleaning. As an added professional tip, what I personally like to do is I start with the barrel inner part of the rim and then cleaning there and then working my way out. That way, as I'm dragging some of the dirt and brake dust out to the face of the rim, that second step would be cleaning the face of the rim to clean up after myself with cleaning the barrel. And that will allow me to go over everything on the face and then, of course, cleaning the tire and finalizing the whole assembly to make sure that everything is nice, thoroughly cleaned. So there you have it. These are the different style brushes that you can find here at Autogeek to accommodate all the different styles of cleaning you want to be able to do for your rims, your tires, and of course the whole wheel assembly overall.